Hi, it's Sanna here today. This one is a really exciting package because this is my first the Wild Hare Kids design team kit, and I am going to go through with all of you and show what I got. Show you all what I got. And this is the back side, so let's flip this around. I took a peek, I have to be honest, I took a peek because I was so excited when it came the other day, and but I thought I'd show you what's inside of it. So it says, okay, so there are two sizes of kits you can order, and I got the Deluxe kit, and it's $38.95, and then you have some shipping on it, and what it says in the notes is, we hope you love your first design team kit. We included lots of flower market collection from Cardmaking because I wished for that, and I think you really love the gorgeous stamp set. We also sent a versatile stencil and some of your faves, die cuts and acrylic pieces. Enjoy. And this is what I got. So let's open the kit first. Okay, so this is the die cuts for the month of August. So I think this is a sun ray, and I really like the pattern. I'm going to download it from the website and try cut it a little bit bigger and smaller myself for various projects, but I really like this design. This is really cute. So that's the cut file for August kit, and there's always a nice message there, and it's signed by Alison, who is the owner of the company. And what do we start with? Let's start with the papers. So in my kit I said I really like the Heidi Swapp Color Fresh papers. I really adore these. I love the colors. These are the colors that I go to all the time when I'm doing paper crafts, and I wished for Color Fresh. I wrote her that I really like that paper, so I've got this paper here, and this is the A side of it, so it looks like a full watercolor pattern or acrylic paints with some gesso on it. So that's what it looks like to me. And then the B side is polka dots in red dots on pink background. And the second paper that I got, I also wished for a lot of flower market because I really like the Cardmaking papers. They are really robust and a little bit thicker than the other ones, and they have a really nice feel to the papers. And this one is really pretty. Let me put the camera a little bit further away so you can see the patterns a little bit better. And the back side is wood grain. Love. So this one is called Embroidery Hoops, and it's Cardmaking collection called Flower Market. You can see it here. Really like this one. Isn't this pretty? So cute. Perfect for, you know, everyday, marriage, whatever photos. I have plenty of ideas for this paper already. And then the next one is called Saturday Afternoon, and it's from One Canoe 2. This is a collection by, I think it's by American Crafts, yes. And it has huge roses on this A side, and the B side, I must say I almost like this one more because I really am a B-side scrapper most of the time. And this pattern and the color, that's just so me. Love this one. Really love this one. The next one again is Flower Market by Cardmaking, and this has beautiful flowers on it. Would make a gorgeous card on its own. And then always a great go-to, black and white striped paper. Love this. Love. Look at this combination. Isn't this pretty? All the ideas coming already. Flower Market, another paper with these little bits and pieces. I can fussy cut and add two layouts This is the perfect paper for me. And then something really girly and romantic on the back side. And this one is called Squares. And this other one was called, sorry I didn't mention it, it's called Flower Market Floral. So that was this one. And then another Color Fresh by Heidi Swapp. I really like these bold colors so much. This paper is called Counting on You. And the back side is gorgeous numbers. Oh, this is really, really pretty. And then the next one is called Wild Heart. And it's by crepe paper again. And this is, I don't know, it reminds me of Brazil, where we went last year. And then this geometrical pattern is really beautiful, and it goes so well with the other papers. And then one fun thing I got added was these numbers, and these are gold with gold foil and embossed. And it's by Mackie Holmes for crepe paper, and the back side is polka dot in blue and white. But this one, look at that, there's gold foil in there, can you see that? And beautiful numbers, so this will be really fun to use on layouts. So the papers, let's put the A sides, I think it's this way, so I hope you can see. Let's put them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 papers in total, so that's plenty of layouts I can do. Mini book, cards, whatever. And that's the A side of the papers, I think, if I got it right. And this would be the B side. Beautiful color combination. Really, really like this one. A little bit more softer colors than my, I did the guest design team spot in January for the Wild Hare kits, and I got really strong bold colors for the Brazil photos, which was perfect for that. And now I asked for a little bit more soft color palette for my first kit, and this she did a really good job choosing the papers. I love every single one of these. And then of course there are the gorgeous B-sides too. Look at those. Lovely, really, really lovely. Okay, so then there were some 6x6 papers. I think these are by Pink Fresh Studio. I'm not sure, let me check what it says on the shipping document. Everyday Musings, 6x6 papers. Yes. So I think it's Pink Fresh Studio, Everyday Musings. Yeah, should be. So there's ombre or watercolor style paper, really lovely. And then one that says All Heart, Love Goes Around, made for this. This is really perfect. They are only one side colored. And then something in green with a pattern on it. Then a beautiful red leaf or petal pattern, or flowers even. And then this is a really nice one too, perfect for cards. And this I can imagine would make a great birthday card for a special friend of mine. She loves coffee. Yeah, and I love the yellow on this one. Really, really pretty papers, these two. Put them there so you can see them once more. Okay, so I've got the big papers, then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers in total, in 6x6, so there's a lot of paper in the Deluxe kit. And then of course there's the cut file, which goes really well with the papers. Then I got something fun, because I love to use stencils. There's another stencil here. On my January kit I got the seashell stencil. If I'm not wrong, I think it was a seashell. And then this is also by EcoPark paper, and these are really fun triangles. Really going to use this a lot. I can already see myself using this one. Really, really fun stencil. Great, from exactly what I like, this type of patterns. And then she wrote something about, I think you're going to love the stamp set. And let's see what's on the stamp set. It's also by Cartabella. And Beauty All Around stamp set. It's a set of clear stamps, and there's a lot of stamps in there. And you know I love stamping, so that's really nice. Lovely, bloom and grow, enjoy. Lots of words, lots of little tiny words. Look at that bloom word there. It's like microscopically tiny. And then the smile there. These will be fun details to add to layouts. Then there's one other one that says friends, beauty, thank you, you make me happy. Here, there is beauty all around, naturally beautiful, fresh from the garden. And then there's watering can, some flowers, some petals, a bow. This is really nice. This will make really great addition to the papers. Can't wait to use this one. And there's a peach, there's a little tiny heart, another one. Really, really good one. Enjoy your life. Really nice words in there too. So enjoy the little things. Perfect. Perfect. And then I got something fun from Bramblebox. I can't spell it. Petite Perspectives. I hope I got that right. So these are, I think, really small stars that are adhesive on the back. I think so. And I love using stars on my layout, so Alison really knows me well already. And I think these are, they should have an adhesive on the back, I think. What does it say? Please peel the vinyl layer to reveal our glossy surface. Okay, so it's just a vinyl protecting the surface, and then you need to adhere them onto the papers or layouts. So there's this. There are pink stars, orange, and white ones, I think. And there are plenty of them in the box, in the back. So look at this. Lots and lots of details and embellishments for my layouts. Lots of texture to be added. So really, really like these. Love them a lot. I used to use wood veneer stars a lot on my layouts a while ago, and I can't wait to use these. These are really pretty. And then one last thing that was in the kit was Ephemera from Cartabella, and this one is called Flower Market. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, I'm sorry. Ephemera die-cut pieces. And let's open this one so we can see what's inside. So there are plenty of embellishments to be added to the layouts. Oh, and on the back you can see every single one there. But let's go through them so you can see them better. So fresh from the garden. I love these. I love banners. Magical, heavenly, wonderful. Oh, I love this one. Nature, really nice. And then there are round ones that have random things on them, like flowers or poppies, fresh bouquet, $5, or what does it say? And another one, this is just a floral banner. And oh, I love these embroidery hoops here also. And thank you. And what is this? A beautiful car. Oh, this is pretty. And there's a bicycle, kind of flower market on this one. And then just some for journaling. This is really nice, beauty. I love the writing. And more journaling type of cards. It says thank you. There's flowers. And this is a frame, and so this consists of two pieces. There's a flower pot and then a frame. And this is really nice. I like the color there. It says hello. And seeds. That's pretty. The whole world is a garden. Nice quote there. Going to use that on layout for sure. Love using quotes. Sorry. Flower garden. This one says welcome, bloom and grow, and then some more for journaling. Really like the black one there. And then beauty, garden, so delightful. And I love this black and white to use it as a contrast on layouts. Really like this. So many reasons why I love this. Great journaling card. And finally one more, nature. So there's plenty in there in this package. 33 die-cut cardstock pieces, it says on the packaging. So that's my kit. That's my August very first design team kit for the Wild Hare kits. And this one is the Deluxe kit, and I am in love with this one. I really like this one a lot. So I can't wait to start sharing projects, layouts, cards, whatever I'm going to end up creating with this beautiful kit. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and you can find more details, more projects on the Wild Hare Kits blog later this month on my blog, on my social media sites. I will add all the links to the explanation part of this video so you can go and grab them from there. And this is my gorgeous August design team kit. Thank you so much, Wild Hare Kits, and thank you so much, Alison. I can't wait to play with this one. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and come back for more project videos later in August. Thanks for watching so much. See you soon. Bye!